Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, this is the hourly chart of gold in front of us, and we can clearly see that gold is trading in a range. Around 2360 market is facing sellers, okay, and as a result, okay, you can also consider it to be the top of the market right now, top of the range, and then we have 2300 at the bottom, which is working as support. And this is the range of gold right now. Why gold is in the range? Because mostly the market is waiting for Friday. Friday is important because of the NFP, first Friday of every month. You must be knowing that it's an NFP day, and NFP is a very important for the market. So till Friday, we can expect the market to remain sideways, market to remain choppy. You can see the market sentiment gold edges lower as spotlight shifts to US job data. Gold prices inch lower on Wednesday as the dollar firm, while investors focus on the US non-farm payrolls report due later in the week for more cues on the Federal Reserve's rate cut plans. So till Friday, we can expect the market to remain sideways or choppy. Why choppy? Because if you look at the economic calendar, you can see today also during the US session, we have ADP employment change, then we have PMI, then tomorrow we have initial jobless claims. So yes, US session is going to be volatile till Friday. So there may be some volatility. So you need to be careful. Okay, but overall, you can expect that market may remain choppy. And if market needs a trend, that trend is going to be after the NFP only. Okay. Before I proceed with the chart, I would like to mention that, my dear friends, so sorry to disappoint you, but number of trading opportunities are very less right now. Because whenever we get a sideways market like this, okay, the only reliable trading opportunities are at the support and resistance. Most of the people lose money in sideways market because we lose our patience, we enter on the middle of the chart and we get trapped. Okay, so sideways market, okay, you can trade, okay, but yes, buy at support and sell at resistance is the only trading strategy you should be following. Okay, and it is very boring as well. So if you think that, Avilash, you don't know anything, okay, you are full of shit, okay, though, sorry to disappoint you, but this is what I have learned from the market. Okay, if you have anything else, then feel free to share in the comment section. I would love to learn from you as well. So let's proceed with the chart then. So my dear friends, the level of 2300 is still the same. We have already discussed in the previous videos also that 2300 seems to be the best support in the market right now. If a big drop comes, then obviously we can expect a good bounce around 2300. Yesterday we also discussed another trading opportunity of taking a sell below 2314. But yes, we discussed about a sell below 2314. Market did not break the support. Okay, remember we also discussed about the importance of volume. Why volume is important? Because if volume is missing, market will not be able to break any level. And yesterday, okay, market did not break the support and ultimately it bounced. So 234 or 2314 or sell below 2314 is still very much valid. So during the day, okay, during the day, if you see that gold is coming down, then there's a high chance that instead of bouncing from the support, gold may break 2314 and head towards 2300. If that happens, we can look for a sell below 2314 if you see market going down with big red candles, and yes, we can look for a buy at 2300 if you see market is showing price rejection from below. Keep in mind, we are retail traders, we have a limited capital, we cannot be gamblers. So confirmation is important. So if you see the market is showing price rejection from below around 2300, 2299, 2299, then only hit the buy button. And one more thing is important here. You can see I have drawn two lines here, 2339 or 2340 and 2346. Let me write it down here, 2346 and 2340. These are the two levels where we can look for a sell position as a day trader. Okay, you can see we have FIBO 61.8% retracement level. We have FIBO 78.6% retracement level. But if listen to me carefully right now. Okay, see, if market reverses from any of these levels, then what market will be forming? Market will be forming a lower high, and formation of lower high indicates that slowly the selling pressure is increasing and there is a chance that market will be breaking 2314. So the next high of gold is also going to be very, very important for us. And if gold reverses 2340, 2346, we can look for a sell. But as I said at the beginning of the video, in sideways market, buy at support and sell at resistance is the best trading strategy. But here the resistance is around 2355 or around 2352 area, the yellow box that I have drawn here. So if gold goes up, okay, during the day, if you see gold going up, especially before the US session, because at the time of news, market may be volatile, market may be crazy, levels may not work. So if gold goes up, then observe the market around 2352, 2355 area. If it reverses, we can look for a sell. But if you see gold is going up before the US session, okay, but there is not much volume, in that case you can also look for a sell around 234546 area, around this area as well. But the areas that I have mentioned here, 234046, are high risk HR, high risk area. Why high risk? Because they are not resistances, proper resistance. They are simply levels that we have derived from the Fibonacci. Okay, and if nothing works, if you see that suddenly gold is going up, gold is extremely bullish, in that case don't do anything, just wait for the right moment and wait for the market to hit 2370 and 2385. These are the two levels, okay, where we can look for a sell position as a day trader. At least we can expect 40 pips around the area, because we have, you can see, we have FIBO 38.2% retracement level, plus previous support will be working as resistance. Here we have FIBO 50% retracement level. So if we combine all the factors, 2370, 2385 are also good levels where we can look for a sell position as a day trader. I have also mentioned in my previous videos many times that this is not the ideal market for swing traders and position traders, because we do not have a clear trend present. So be careful, okay, and till Friday we can expect the market to remain like this, so do not go for a huge risk. So where is the best support? The best support is around 2300. So if it's a round number, psychological level, so if market takes support on 2300, okay, we can definitely hit the buy button. But if it breaks 2314, we can also look for a sell as well below it. And similarly, we can also look for a sell around 2340, 2346. High risk sell opportunities. It depends on if you are a beginner, you can avoid it. You can just look for a sell around 2352, 2355 area. And you can also look for a sell around 2370, 2385 area as well. Again, I'm repeating, my dear friends, be careful during the US session, because all the levels are high risk levels, and these high risk levels are little weak and they do not work when there is extreme volatility in the market. Okay, and you can see I have switched to 50 minutes time frame right now. So during the day, okay, my dear friends, during the day, if you see gold going down, okay, you can also look for a quick sell for 30 pips below 2325 and 2322. If market breaks this level here, you can look for a sell below this level, and if market breaks this level, you can also look for a sell below this low as well. So these are sell at breakdown levels. So these are all high risk levels. Okay, I'm sorry, but the market condition is like this, that we do not have any reliable level as of now except 2300. Okay, if you ask me, Avilash, where are you going to trade? Personally, I will be going for a buy at 2300. I'll be going for a sell below 2314. I may also go for sell below these two areas if I see that market is accompanied by volume. Okay, but personally, I'm not going to sell around these areas that I mentioned. Okay, 2370, 2385. Yes, I'm going to go for a look for a sell if market shows price rejection from below. So this is the ongoing market situation. Be careful. And my dear friends, finally, after a lot of requests, emails, WhatsApp messages, okay, the workshop is back again. It's a 3 days workshop followed by 1 month support. Okay, 1 month support means you will be getting regular market updates, analysis. There's a Telegram community to chat with other members. So all the details are mentioned on the website. You'll find the link in the description. And these are the topics that we will be discussing during the workshop, and these are the topics that we will be discussing during the weekly sessions. As I said, 3 days workshop followed by 1 month support. Okay, and these are the dates. You can see English classes 20th, 29th, 30th of June, Hindi classes 21st, 22nd, 23rd of June. You can join now also till the workshop date. Okay, you'll be getting or receiving free updates on the WhatsApp group. Okay, so you don't think that, okay, if I join now I won't be getting 1 month support. No, it's not like that. Okay. Okay, so and if you're looking for personal sessions, you can also sign up for the semi-annual or lifetime. Okay, if you love my work, then yes, you are most welcome to participate. Everything is mentioned on the website, my dear friends. Feel free to check out. The link is in the description. Thank you so much for all the love and support. Bye bye, take care, and be careful. Market is not very good and reliable right now.